So in this video, you'll learn how to reset your Samsung Galaxy S25 without erasing any data. So by doing this, any customizations you've added to the settings app, for example, such as changing the screen timeout period and all sorts of things, they'll be taken back to their default, while it will still keep any data that you have left, such as app customizations. So in order for you to do this, you have to start by opening the settings app. And in settings, you want to scroll and select General Management. Under General Management, look for the option Reset and tap on it. Then from here, find Reset All Settings and select it. So you can see it gives you information about what exactly it will do. So it will reset all the settings on your phone except for your security settings. So things like your lock screen, fingerprints, Face ID. Your language settings. So if you've installed any language packs on your phone, they'll still remain. Your accounts, again, will still remain. Any personal data will still remain. And settings for downloaded apps. So all these will still remain the exact same as you had them. But again, things like the screen timeout period, your display mode, all sorts of things will be taken back to their default. So if you're okay with that, just tap on Reset Settings and then confirm by entering in your PIN, password, or pattern. And then once you've done that, tap on Reset again and wait for it to reset. Once the reset is complete, you'll then be prompted to restart your phone. So simply wait for the restart to complete itself. And then once your restart is complete, every setting that you had previously customized has now been taken back to default. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.